This is Dr. James Legbeleye. Welcome to this online program, what we call the Six Domains of Health Hub, where we bring you holistic information around the six domains of health. We have another important topic today, which is how to benefit from remote devices in healthcare and as well as their limitations. And this is an innovative tool enhancing patient as well as improving patient care and monitoring. Let's dive down into today's topic. Um, the agenda that we'll be covering today will include introduction to remote healthcare devices, the roles and application of remote healthcare devices, as well as benefit of using remote healthcare devices, limitations and challenges, and then we'll be looking at the future direction of the devices. And then the introduction to this program, we will be covering today by looking at the definition and types of remote healthcare devices. The first one will be the wearable fitness trackers, uh, and also looking at the remote monitoring devices in virtual medicine and the telemedicine platforms. Wearable fitness trackers are now being used in terms of monitoring physical activity, heart rate, sleep patterns to promote health and wellness. And then the remote monitoring devices in virtual medicine, remote monitoring devices enable healthcare professionals to track patient vital signs and health condition from a distance, enhancing patient care. And we also have the telemedicine platform. The telemedicine platform facilitates virtual consultation between patient and healthcare providers, and then improving access to medical care. And then what are the historical development and the advancement? So let's look at the telecommunication in healthcare. Uh, the initial phase of the remote healthcare involved basic telecommunication method to connect patients and healthcare providers and improving access to care. And then we have the advancement in devices. With technology advancement, healthcare devices have evolved to become sophisticated tools that enhance patient monitoring and care quality. And then we have the real time data integration. The integration of internet technology allows real time data transmission and analysis, facilitating timely medical intervention. And then what are the importance of this to modern medicine? And then it can be used to enhance patient access, in that the devices can improve patient access and then to medical care, particularly for those with remote in undeserved areas. And it can improve health outcomes. These devices contribute to better health outcomes by enabling timely monitoring and intervention for various health conditions, and then the effective conditions management. These devices can help in effectively to monitor real-time data and then especially for patients. So the rules and the application of these remote devices may include the real-time health tracking or health metric monitored or timely interventions. So in terms of the real healthcare tracking, this has allowed professionals to track patient health metrics in real time, and also the we now have emerging metrics which can be used, like in the hospital we use new score, and then for the adult people in monitoring their observations. And then we also have individual monitoring their own heart rate, blood pressure, as well as, for example, blood glucose as well. Then timely intervention by having a real-time data the healthcare professionals can provide a timely intervention to a patient and then increasing or improving patient outcome. Telemedicine and virtual consultation are now emerging in the last few years, especially after COVID-19. We're now adopting virtual consultation through virtual consultation platforms. For example, you might say Zoom. Uh, and then this allowed remote healthcare devices to be used to monitor patient health and facilitate communication. And also increase access to care. For example, you don't really need to come to hospital all the time for your outpatient follow-up, and it allowed the need without the need for you to travel, and also benefiting rural and undeserved area to have access to healthcare that are not easily accessible locally within their region. And it can enhance healthcare delivery as well. Virtual consultation improve healthcare delivery by streamlining communication as well as in providing timely treatment options as well. And then we also have the wearable health technology. This is not only just for elderly population that you monitor when they fall down, but this now giving us opportunity for empowerment through monitoring. Wearable healthcare technology devices can allow active monitor of patients, leading to better outcomes and informed decisions. We also have the data-driven health insights. For example, these devices can provide health data which can be used to inform treatment plans and enhance patient outcomes. And then also it can be used to promote healthy lifestyles, and then by adopting healthy lifestyles through fitness tracking and health monitoring features. For example, if you look at the wristwatch that I'm wearing, is an example of how to monitor healthy lifestyles by monitoring my blood pressure, my weight, as well as it can show me my heart rate, my oxygen sat, and oftentimes it can tell me how many kilocalories that I've lost in a day, and then allowing me to make an informed decision. And the benefit of using remote healthcare are also emerging in terms of continuous monitoring and timely intervention, as well as increased convenience for patients that they don't have to travel long distance to see clinicians or doctors nowadays. They can be they can receive their virtual consultation. Are these devices cost effective? You might think that okay, the one device costs £100 or £200, but when you accumulate or do a cost effectiveness cost analysis, you might see that over the time there will be a lot of savings for not just for the patient, but also for healthcare organizations. So cost savings for patients is one of the benefits. For example, these devices contribute to significant cost savings for patients by minimizing unnecessary hospital admissions and also streamline care processes. With these devices, you can streamline patients to different healthcare providers who can meet their need as well. And then it's resource optimization. With these devices, you can have a resource utilization within healthcare systems, leading to better management of cost and as well as services. And then the enhancing chronic disease management. With these devices, you can have a continuous health tracking of their health, by which monitoring their metrics, leading to timely intervention as well as optimized treatment options. Then you can have a real-time treatment adjustment as well. With these devices, you can have a real time based on data that they can receive treatment, and then also you can monitor their health outcome as well. And then you can improve health outcome using those devices as well. So limitations and challenges of remote healthcare devices. As you know, there is nothing in the healthcare system that doesn't have carry risks or carry issue, but the benefits outweighs the risks in this case. And one of the issues are around data reliability. For example, in the connectivity challenges, they need these devices can be impacted by uh, poor connectivity in terms of their performance and reliability, and which can lead to interrupted patient care. And data transmission reliability also. For example, if there is an error during data transmission, it can lead to a significant impact on patient care. And the importance of accurate data is so crucial for effective patient management as well as making informed healthcare decisions. So issues around privacy and security concern. Remote healthcare devices, for example, has increased privacy and security risks, making data protection more crucial, and then also safeguarding patient data from cyber threats is essential for maintaining trust and ensuring compliance with regulations. And then maintaining patient trust in healthcare technologies require stringent security measures and compliance with regulation. Accessibility to digital divide. Remote healthcare devices may increase disparity by leaving behind those uh, without technology or internet connectivity, and then the need for accessibility, ensuring that remote healthcare innovation are accessible to all patients is crucial to bridge the gap. Future direction, we now have emerging role of AI in healthcare. Artificial intelligence is transforming healthcare by improving diagnostic treatment plans and patient monitoring through smart devices. And then also we have the machine learning applications. Machine learning enhances remote healthcare by offering personalized treatment solution based on patient data and behavioral patterns. And the integration with traditional healthcare systems, like we may have a seamless integration, also enhance data sharing, and may have continuity of care as well. So regulatory and ethical consideration may include importance of regulatory compliance, ensure that remote healthcare devices meet safety and efficacy, and then as well as standard protecting patient health. Then patient right protections. So safeguarding patient rights involve ensuring confidentiality and informed consent when using remote healthcare technologies. And then the ethical considerations may include addressing equity in access and implications of technology on patient provider relationship. As you know that over the last 1 year, we have been working together, working very hard behind the scene to try and see how could we help in educating people. If you're watching this program, and that's why we have the 6 domains of health framework. Because over the years, I realized that for healthy lifestyle, many attentions are based on um, programs that are within the physical health domains, such as nutrition, diet, hydration, and few other things, well-being, burnout. A lot of these programs are mainly based on physical health program. But we realize that by ignoring other domains of health may lead to hazard health consequences as well. So, for example, if you ignore your mental well-being or your spiritual well-being. You may have a serious adverse consequences, and that could be the reason why you realize that you've been doing exercise and also maintaining a balanced nutrition, and then you end up having issues with your health, and then you'll be wondering that, but this is what you've been told to do. In fact, this is correct, but may not be adequate for you. And that's why we've created this 6 domains of health course program as part of the health literacy program to help people to have a more comprehensive approach to understanding health. And then in my previous video, I talked about the difference between health and the healthcare. The healthcare is what you need. For example, after an health issue has arisen, so therefore it is your responsibility to make sure that you maintain your health. But the healthcare will be provided to you as an intervention to any breakdown in your healthcare, in your health system. Apart from that, we have also have developed a unique branded solutions that will help as many as possible who may be going through other unmet health needs. And that's why we've created a School of Health and Wellbeing as well as School of Lifespan Management. And then with health coaching and mentoring hub to supplement that. And then with the aim of improving individual as well as our population health as well. And this is a new innovation program, and please kindly share it with your friends or your relatives or on your social platform, and then you'll be encouraged to subscribe to this channel and perhaps share it with your friends as well. In conclusion to today's program, what we've discussed is that healthcare remote devices are improving the quality of health, our patient care by providing timely monitoring and support. And also we discussed about accessibility of these technologies is so crucial that making healthcare services more accessible as well as to people in remote areas with little mobility challenges. Then the future innovations will be, in the next few years, we'll be seeing the impact AI is doing in terms of improving the quality and the delivery from these healthcare devices. I hope you enjoyed today's program. If you like it, please let us know, share your thoughts, and as well as subscribe to our channel, share and then like the program. Thank you, and I'll see you again next week, that same time. Take care of yourself. Bye bye.